Hi, first grade. It's time for some Fundations. And so you are here for Unit 7, Week 2, Day 1. And as always, we are going to start off by reviewing our sounds. So say them with me. A-L-L, ball, all. R, rat, E, ed, C, cat, k. S-H, ship, sh. Oh, and these are some of your new sounds for last week. So if you think about last week, you learned a bunch of new glute sounds. And so here are our glute sounds. I'll say them, and then I want you to say them after me. So it's my turn. A-N-G, bang, ang. Your turn. A-N-G, bang, ang. Good job. My turn. I-N-G, ring, ing. Your turn. I-N-G, ring, ing. My turn. O-N-G, song, ong. Your turn. O-N-G, song, ong. My turn. U-N-G, lung, ung. Your turn. U-N-G, lung, ung. Okay, before we do our new sounds, we're going to go back and I want you to notice in all of your glute sounds that you learned last week, what letter does it end with? So I have A-N-G, I-N-G, O-N-G, U-N-G. So what do they all end in? A G. Very good. So at the end of all of those glute sounds, I should have heard G. And so let's practice that. Let's just say the sounds. So say the sound for this card. Ang, ing, ong, ung. And that's because today you have some new sounds, and those new sounds are also glute sounds, but they don't end the same. They don't have that G at the end. So let's look at our first new glute sound. This is a piggy bank. And if I look at the bottom of the card underneath the picture, I see A-N-K. So that's our new glute sound. So I'm going to say it, and then you're going to say it, and this is our first new glute sound. A-N-K, bank, ank. Now it's your turn. A-N-K, bank, ank. Now I have a K at the end of this glute sound, so I need to make sure that I really say that K sound. Ank. Good job. Here's your next new one. And I see that this is a crayon, but what color is this crayon? It's pink. Very good. So my glute sound for this card is I-N-K, pink, ink. Your turn. Say it with me. I-N-K, pink, ink. Good. And again, this one ends with a K, so make sure you really say ink. Oh boy, this one has a horn, and I want to think, if I squeeze that horn, what sound does it make? It usually says honk, and that's my glute sound. So look at your letters. O-N-K, honk, onk. Your turn. O-N-K, honk, onk. Awesome, and again, it ends with that K sound, so make sure you're really saying K, onk. Alrighty, and this is our last one, and this is just a bunch of junk. That's what we're going to call it, junk. So if I look at my letters, I see U-N-K, junk, unk. Now your turn. U-N-K, junk, unk. Good job. So those are all of your new glute sounds, and you're like, whoo, Mrs. Sperry, that's too many glute sounds. We're going to practice and practice and practice them, I promise. So that brings me to our word of the day. So I'm going to put your word of the day up, and I want you to look and think about how am I going to tap and sound this word out. I only see 2 tiles, but if you look at that second tile, it's green and it has 3 letters in it. So we're going to have to think about how to tap that. And I always remember that green means glued sound. Green and glued. And that's how I remember it. So I know that for that green card, I need to glue some of my fingers together. I see U-N-K. So first thing is that's 3 letters, which means I have to glue 3 of my fingers together. Now let's think about what sound does U and K make? If I think back, U and K, junk, unk. So this glute sound says unk. Let's give this word a try tapping it. We're going to go slow. Tap with me. J. Glue all those fingers. Unk. Junk. One more time. Let's tap it. J. Unk. Junk. Good job. So our word of the day is junk. What does junk mean? Junk usually means something that isn't working or that it's broken and it can't be fixed. Sometimes junk means things that aren't taken care of either. It's kind of a way just to say it's not usable. It's junk. Okay, so how would I mark up this word? I don't need to do anything with that J. It's just a consonant. But let's talk about the U and K. Who remembers? How do I mark up glute sounds? Oh, I know I heard you say I put a box around it. Well, you're right. So if I had my pen out, if I could, I would be marking and putting a box around this green card to box my glute sound. And now we're going to come up with a sentence for junk. And so I could say, that box is full of junk. Please go throw it away. Awesome. Okay, this slide just teaches us how to tap it up, which we already talked about, but let's look at the pictures. My first letter is green, and if I look over at my hand, I see a green 1, and that tells me first I tap my J, and I use this finger, that first finger, so J. But the rest of them are in red, and the rest of my fingers are 2s in red, and that tells me second I put all of these fingers together, and I tap unk. So let's just tap junk one more time. J, unk, junk. Awesome. Okay, first graders, I need you to go and get either a whiteboard and a marker or a pencil and a piece of paper, something to write on. Pause this video, go grab it. Alrighty, now that you have something to write on, let's get started. I am going to tell you some sounds and you're going to write the letters that say that sound. Some of them are going to be our new glute sounds, and some of them are going to be the glute sounds you learned last week, and then some of them are going to be even further back. So you got to really have those brains on, okay? Alright, first, tell me what says shh. Right, shh. 1, 2, 3, show me. You have SH? Good. Awesome. Alright, tell me what says all. Think about your glute sounds. What says all? 1, 2, 3, show me. A-L-L. Awesome. Alright, let's think about our new glute sounds. Write down and tell me what says ang. Really listen to that last sound. Ang. Alright, write it down. Alright, first grade, show me. What says ang? Boom. A-N-G. And if I wanted to say my card, I could say A-N-G, fang, ang. And I told you, really listen to that last sound because I hear ang, g, 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 and it tells me how that glute sound ends. Fabulous job. Fabulous. Alright. What says ing? Think about your glute sound. Ing. A 3, a 2, a 1. Show me. Good. You should have I-N-G because I hear ing. Ing. Anybody remember the picture that goes with ing? I-N-G. Ring. Ing. Very good. Erase, erase, erase. Alright, your next sound. Ong. Ong. What says ong? 1, 2, 3. O-N-G. And I know that because ong. Ong. Very good. Erase, erase. And tell me what says ung. Like lung. What says ung? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, you ready to show me, show me? U and G. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good job. Okay, we got a couple more to do. Okay, now I need to know what says ank, ank. Write it down. And again, really listen to my last sound. Ank. Show me. A and K. Very good. Remember, I have the piggy bank. Ank. Lovely, lovely. Erase, erase, erase. Your next sound is ink. Tell me what says ink. Are you ready? Show me. Good. You should I and K. So I have ink. That's the important sound. Ink.